And welcome back. Look who we have here.
Hello.
So today we're off to Warwick.
And we're going into the Moon Hotel.
Yeah, because we got another camp.
I love how we've always called it the Moon Hotel.
Me too.
I nearly said Moon Hotel when I was talking to Mr. Walters, and he nearly went. Luckily I didn't, and I could tell Mr. Walters, well, we don't call it Premier Inn. I can't even, that's why don't call it Premier Inn. I can't even say the word.
How was school today?
Good.
Any updates?
No, literally just more fun.
More fun.
Learning.
Any learning?
No.
Anyway, it's Cheercity weekend. So Cheercity is the competition. And we're going to head off now to get Mum and Lil.
Are we doing the competition tomorrow?
Yeah. I think you're Sunday though.
Oh, thank goodness.
So we're going to go get Lil. We're going to get Mum. She's up there at Asda. We'll say hello to Lil. So we'll see you when we get Lil. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
We'll see you when we get Mum, and then we'll get Lil, and then we'll say hello.
Hey guys.
Hiya.
Look who's just joined us.
Woof.
You good day at school, Lil?
Yeah.
Nice to join us, Mum.
What?
Nice of you to join us.
Ah, rude.
It's just me and Lace, wasn't it? Just doing everything.
Yeah, no, but can I tell you something weird, Mum and Lil?
No.
Yes.
Mum, can I tell you, Mum and Lil, can I tell you something weird?
Sure.
Last time we went on holiday, which is when we went on the cruise, Dad picked me up on my PE day.
That is weird,
What am I
isn't it?
wearing now?
Very weird. PE.
PE day.
Must be a Friday thing.
A Friday feeling. Today we're off to where?
The Moon Hotel!
In what city, Mum?
I don't know.
Warwick.
City of Warwick.
Is that Fly or Warwick?
We're actually going to the Premier Inn in Binley.
What's that?
Binley mega
I don't know what
chippy.
Binley is.
We got Lily performing tomorrow
I'm performing.
and Lacey on Sunday. Let's go.
Dance, Lil!
Dance, Lil. Too school for cool.
Too school for cool.
Yeah, that's right, isn't it?
You're too school for cool. It's actually too cool for school. The ghost in the bag. Oh.
So come and stay tonight, and I think I'm gonna hold you every night. And that's a feeling I wanna get used to.
Yards at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Oh, I hope I don't
It's Speedy.
Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Beautiful thing that I've got. Why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I know when I got it.
Please stay! I want you, I need you, oh God! Don't take this beautiful thing that I've got!
I don't like singing.
You do like singing.
Not
It's
as right
beautiful
now.
things that
Person
I'm
at good pace.
Well,
so they
guess
can
what?
get
No
it.
time they do, oh God! Don't take this beautiful thing that I've got! Yeah, don't mind me, I'm just booting my way with my legs.
Don't mind you. A Binley Premier Inn. Well done. It only took you 8 years.
I remember this place.
You remember it?
Yes. We went here last
Yeah, I think you were asleep when we got here last time.
I was.
Oh no.
My butt, don't
Mia.
Mia! No!
Mia. Mia the fairy.
There's a second
She a fairy?
I'm carrying a big luggage. We need the key.
Oh yeah, you're right. Kangaroo pouch.
Pasta.
It's a cool vending machine.
Pasta.
What number are we again?
16.
This way, right?
16. Room number 16. Let's go.
Come on,
Cheers,
Dad.
buddy.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh,
There's the canteen with the kitchen.
yeah, this is the breakfast I like. Yeah, this is the one that I made my concoction in.
Concoction.
I don't know how to open this door. Oh,
Pull.
I can't stop it.
Go, go,
Oh my
go.
God.
I got it.
I don't want to drop my phone.
Go, go, go.
Sorry, grab the luggage. I got this.
Number 16.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
We've had this room before.
It's very similar.
No. This is the same
They
room.
all look the same.
They do.
No. Look.
Oh yeah, same picture. Maybe we have been in there before.
We have. No, which bed do you want?
Quick room tour.
I had that one last time anyway.
So we got our front door.
Hang on, take my
And
shoes
you
off.
got some areas to hang.
And guys, be prepared for darkness.
Yeah. Hello?
Excuse me.
What are you doing in the
This
bathroom?
bath is actually so ginormous.
It is quite a big bath, isn't it?
I
Yeah,
can
you've got a
literally-
bath and a shower.
Oh yeah, there's also grips. This
Grips.
Is, if you hear me splashing, it's because I'm going down the waterfall.
That's cool.
Whee! Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's a door stop, so it doesn't go all the way.
Yeah, look. And
You
towels.
got your towels.
Hey,
Got
my
some
towel.
soap. Then you got a shower.
I'm flying.
And then you got
Daddy,
your...
so also you have two handles.
Oh
So
yeah.
it's easier for you to get out. And then...
Cool. Nice bathroom.
Don't do that, kids.
And then that's your front door.
Don't do that, kids. If you're not
Don't
a
do that,
cheerleader.
kids.
If you're
Did
not a
the
cheerleader.
lights turn on here?
Yeah.
Any lights there? Oh, yes, you got a vanity mirror.
There's the other stuff. I don't like it. They should be flat, not.
Some hanging space.
And then you got.
Tea, coffee,
The
which I think you can
bed.
get from reception as well.
And you have the
Some
bed.
cool little mugs. I like those mugs. Then you got a desk area. 2 beds. Oh, some little troubled kid. Oh my gosh.
Really?
There's someone under the bed. And then 2 single beds for the girls.
I'm a walrus.
Hello.
No, I'm going on top of
And you
you.
got a fan. And I don't think the windows will open. Hello. The windows will open. So you can get some fresh air. And this is your room.
Help me! Me
And
and
that concludes your room tour at
Oh,
the
yeah,
Binley
Dad,
Premier
sorry.
Inn.
But me and Lil and you guys, we're going to be eating on this bed.
What?
Yeah. That's just the family tradition here. Yeah.
So
What's
quick
this?
socket check. You got 2 plugs there.
I don't want to balance
2
this.
plugs there. One is for the lamp and the fan. And then you've got any sockets over here. No sockets on that side. Any sockets on that side?
Yes.
What
No.
about down on the floor? Light switches. Oh, main switch and
Hello?
side light. Is it plugged on there, did you say?
Yeah, there's
Daddy.
One plug down there. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Be careful.
I'm stuck.
Don't injure yourself before tomorrow.
I'm not doing it
Sunday.
tomorrow. It's no tomorrow.
So there is
Don't
a,
turn that up, Potter. This
This
is
an
already nice.
aircon thing, but I can't see an aircon machine.
Oh no, that's because there's a fan.
Yeah, but what's the... See that, guys?
Wait,
She's
no.
gonna fake it.
No, I'm not. I did it.
Fake it till you make it.
Ready?
Mum, no, wait.
So we ordered
do
a
it?
Taco
Do
Bell.
this one.
What do we order on Deliveroo?
Can you do mine?
Delivery, yeah. He was an amazing driver. He
Like
let us-
Hamid.
He let us do the quiz. And then we won the food.
Can you send us? Can you send me the video?
The girls just got us some more.
I want milk.
Taco Bell. Taco Bell.
When you get Taco Bell from this place, do not pick it up by the lid. It
Don't.
nearly spills.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bit poor, isn't it?
Yeah.
Daddy. What?
This is probably a wrap.
Go order this. Grub it up.
Chips. Why did they put it in a big bag?
All of this came
Are
to
they chips?
£44. It's not bad, is it?
But they don't have cheese on them.
So we've got cheesy wrap and
Yeah.
nachos. And then we've got some extra chips and cheese.
That
Well,
good?
Don't say I made cheese and chips. I knew them.
Then we've
Cheese.
got a supreme chicken thing
Yeah.
and beef double layered wrap. Then we've got some seasoned chips and cheesy chips, extra cheese, nachos. And these are chicken nachos, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What type of cheese if it's not your cheese, Lace?
Natural cheese.
And what did I get?
A volcano burrito
Ooh.
and then a taco.
Can I taste one of those really thick Doritos?
Chicken Doritos. Yeah.
Can I have a mini one?
There you go.
Too big.
Delish.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.